We will start with a welcome address by Sri S.B. Rangaramacharya Swami.
श्रीमद् रामानुजाचार्य वर्य यतिपतीन् भजे यत्कृपावृष्टिभिर्हृष्टाः प्रपन्न हृदयाङ्कुराः। श्रीमद् रामानुजाचार्य वर्यान् यतिपतीन् भजे यत्कृपावृष्टिभिर्हृष्टाः प्रपन्न हृदयाङ्कुराः। कुवादतिमिरक्लिष्टां जगतीं ज्ञानदीप्तिभिः प्रकाशयतु शश्वत श्री रामानुज नभोमणि। कुवादतिमिरक्लिष्टां जगतीं ज्ञानदीप्तिभिः प्रकाशयतु शश्वत श्री रामानुज नभोमणि। Welcome to each and every of you. This is the first time that I am seeing this paper and reading in my life. First of all, I pay my humble dasohams to Paramahamsa Parvarajikacharya Sri Sri Tridandi Channasrimanarayan Ramanujayar Swami, Sri 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 Tridandi Ahobila Ramanujayar Swami, Sri 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 Tridandi Devanatha Ramanujayar Swami, and other Acharya Purushas like our Lakshmidatacharya, Ramakrishnamacharya and others. Respected professors and distinguished scholars from India and abroad, I, Rangaramacharya, on behalf of our Jiva Research and Publications, extend my heartiest welcome to all of you. Dear scholars, you are all well aware of the belief that the whole world is a big family to which each and every community living in this world belongs. We should never forget that this is not a concept of any single community or country or religion, but is a universal one. 1,000 years back, Bhagavad Ramanuja exhibited the beautiful concept of equality of all human beings before God. Bhagavad Ramanuja translated the same into action and realized it in his life when he dared to declare openly the greatest secret well preserved by our ancient acharyas. Ramanuja's unbound compassion towards all humanity inspired modern thinkers like Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, Radhakrishnan, and other. So there we are having a big list. In memory of this great Acharya, we are celebrating his millennium in a grand way, where the conduct of the present international seminar is also a part. We have chosen and invited nearly 40, we have chosen and invited, not we are directly approached everyone. We are having our, we have chosen and invited nearly 40 scholars from different parts of India and 3 distinguished professors from America to participate in this sacred seminar. Our Professor Clooney, our Gopal Gupta, and Professor Sidnor, these 3 from America. Actually, we wanted to invite Professor Barrister Carman, who contributed a very beautiful work in English more than 45 years back. In 1963, he submitted his thesis to the Yale University and published the same in 1974. I got a copy of the same and I presented the same to our Swamiji also. But unfortunately, he is in his 90s, we can't bring him all the way from America. In memory of this great Acharya, we are celebrating his millennium in a grand way where the conduct of the present international seminar is also a part. We have chosen and invited nearly 40 scholars from different parts of India and 3 distinguished professors from America to participate in this sacred seminar. I extend my special welcome to the professors from America. I have already mentioned those names, who have undertaken a long journey from the other side of the world to participate in this seminar. This shows their affection and regard towards Ramanuja. I also welcome with reverence the many renowned traditional scholars. I am having a big list. I could not introduce each and every scholar. I also welcome with reverence with many renowned traditional scholars who are gracing this occasion. Many young enthusiastic scholars are also participating, and I believe and I welcome them. I also welcome Shriman Dr. Rameshwar Rao Garu. Actually, he has to come here, but due to some preoccupation, he will be coming within few minutes here. I also welcome Shriman Dr. Rameshwar Rao Garu, without whom we can't even dream about this vast premises of Jiva and the group of institutions situated here. I also welcome, I am repeating the same, I also welcome Shriman Dr. Rameshwar Rao Garu, without whom we can't even dream about this vast premises of Jiva and the group of institutions situated here. Paying my humble dasohams to all dear Swamis and distinguished invitees, again, I remain with these few words. Thank you very much.
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ రంగాలలో దశాబ్దపు అనుభవంతో కస్టమర్ల మరియు శ్రేయోభిలాషుల మన్ననలను నమ్మకాన్ని గెలుపొందిన సంస్థ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. నాణ్యతకు నమ్మకానికి మారుపేరు విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఇండిపెండెంట్ హౌసెస్, అపార్ట్మెంట్స్, విల్లాస్ అన్ని రకాల హంగులతో అలరించే అద్భుతమైన వెంచర్స్ తో పాటు అందరికీ అందుబాటు ధరలో సొంత ఇంటి కలను సాకారం చేసే నమ్మకమైన సంస్థ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, వరటెక్స్ ప్లాజా నియర్ రాధికా థియేటర్, ECL X Road, Hyderabad. Call to 910088555512, 9100885555.